Two brown.
Good afternoon. In this tutorial I will present you how to prepare a route planning on Ecdis Transas. So the first step is open a task list and you will find the route planning. Click on route planning, a new window will be opening and you will see this image. You will press new in this corner, create new route, and start making waypoints by clicking in the place you want to put the waypoint. For example, we will put one here, another one here, this is the first step. After this, you can rename the route by clicking this, cancel the current name, and we put training. Okay. Now this route will be saved from here. Save the route. Now for monitoring the route, you will need first to check the route. Press this thing here and press check the route. After checking is completed, you check all the errors and you will click accept route if everything is okay. Now this is the slate one, so we will have to change to be able to monitoring. Monitoring can be made only on the master Ecdis. On the slave you can only see what is happening on the master one. So after you change, now this Ecdis is master and you have here monitoring. Once you after you check the route, you have here edit option. You set all the variables as you like. You have a quick calculator where you can check the distance between waypoints. You can load a new route if you have something saved. You can find here and load a new route. So for monitoring, you will press the monitoring. Route must be checked against dangers. So we will go again at check route. Accept. Now would you like a voyage plan report? If you want to see, you can also see the voyage plan. You can print it in case you have printer. If not, you can export this in PDF on computer to make the voyage planning. After this, you press monitoring. If there is any kind of errors, this will tell you. And follow the route, the length is too small, so you will go back to waypoint number 5 and you can adjust by click waypoint editor here. You click on this, you have this little yellow square. You can press on this and change as much as you want. If you need a new waypoint, all you have to do, again, press waypoint editor, this small yellow thing, click on the place that you need, and the new waypoint will be done, and you can just shift it wherever you like. After this, you click monitoring. The route must be checked again. Press OK. Check the route again. We do not want a voyage planning. Monitoring. This will be different. You will have to press OK, and it will be monitored. After monitoring, you can you will find here in this menu. Here you have a lot of things. You can find route data. At route data, you will have all the waypoints that you created. So you can see the ETA, the miles to which waypoint you have. You can put the names of the waypoints here, just to know what the destination are you going, ETAs, things. Anything else? In the route data you have all the route, the distance, the ETA, total time to go, You have also schedule to set one waypoint and CTA. Then you have again in this task list, you have the monitoring. So after you go in task list monitoring, you can see route monitoring, where you can set all the, in case you missed one waypoint, you passed far from it and Ecdis didn't catch it by itself, you can go on manual and select the next waypoint, the number which you want to skip. So here you have the radius table, you have all the STD, all the alarms you need. In safety alarms, you have safety frames, parameters, all IMO areas that you would like to see during navigation. Navigation alert, you have the drop anchor, anchor watch, you set the cables, depth of the water, safety margins, and you use number 1 or number 2 which anchor you are lowering. Just by pressing down, the Ecdis will notice like it's at anchor.